Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals, and the mention that should be about the change of the order. So now I want to show you how to answer, because we want to change the order of dx dy into dy dx. Because we need to change the order, that means we need to change the bounds. Now we need to find the bounds of dx dy about dx. So we have s is greater than or equal to y and smaller than or equals to number 1. About dy, so y is greater than or equals to number 0 and smaller than or equals to number 1. Now we need to graph about y equals to s. Y equals to s should be like this. So we see that s is greater than or equals to y, so they will go in this way in here, and smaller than or equals to number 1. That should be this one in here. So about y is greater than or equals to number 0 and smaller than or equal to number 1 in here. So we have number 1 in here for y. So the region we need to concentrate, that is about this one. Because we change dy dx, we need to find the new bounds for y and s. So about y, we can see that y is greater than number 0 in here. Because we go to here, go in here. So y is greater than or equal to number 0 and smaller than or equals to s. Because this one, that is about y equals to s. So the point here, that is for y equals to s. About s, we start from here to here. That's about from 0 to number 1. And now we have the function. So we need to change the new bounds in here. About dy, that's the from 0 to s. About ds from 0 to number 1. So we have the integration of dy, so we have y in here. So we just concentrate y just is the variable, s just likely the numbers. So we have the formula of this one. The integration of this one we have like this. So we change a, that's about s and s. So the integration of dy in here, they should be like this. Now we put the bound from 0 to s. S I will change for y and 0 change for y. So this one we have like this. E to the power of 0, we have number 1. This one we have s e to the power of s square. This one we have negative s. So the integration of this one, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to s squared du equals to 2s ds. After we do first the derivative of s squared, later that we divide both sides by number 2, and we have s ds. So for this one, we will have about, we need to change the bounds. When s equal to number 0, we put number 0 cone here, and we have u equals to number 0. When s equals to number 1, so we have u equals to number 1. So we have the new integration in here. And e to the power of s squared. S squared we change by u. S ds we change by du over number 2. And this one we calculate, and we have like this. Now we put number 1 and number 0 cone here. And the next one, that is about s. This one we calculate. And we have s squared over 2. And we have 1 over 2. So this one minus this one, because we have the negative sign here. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.